Adding multiple languages to your Wix website allows you to reach a broader audience by offering content in different languages. Here's how to set it up. Log into Wix. Access your Wix account and go to the Wix dashboard of the website you want to translate. Enable Wix Multilingual. In the Wix dashboard, go to Settings and click on Multilingual under the Site Settings section. Set default language. Choose your website's primary language from the drop-down menu. This will be the default language for your website. Add a new language. Click on Add Language and select the languages you want to add. Wix supports over 30 languages, so you can choose multiple options. Translate your content. Wix will create a copy of your website in the new language. You will need to manually translate your pages or use Wix's auto-translate feature for quick translations. You can edit content on each language version from the multilingual section. Add Language Switcher. Enable the Language Switcher on your site to allow visitors to toggle between languages. This is typically placed in the header or footer. Publish your site. After completing translations, click Publish to make the multilingual site live.